Bitcoin holders, welcome to another brand new. Today video is going to be very special and important about Bitcoin because Bitcoin is unfortunately take a very huge pump, especially for short-term traders who take entry in short position in future. Definitely it will be very high risky and definitely very badly pumps up. So you can see here 20,700 and this was already hit now 21,000. So can there is more chances to it was reach out 25,000 or not, my brother? What is the exact price target? What is the movement of Bitcoin next? First of all, I will confirm you, my friend. Kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. And if you want to join premium telegram group, then the link is in the description. Join now, free of course, premium signal. Bitcoin price, as you can see, it was increasing. That's been my business to this time. We need to check out the volume. If you look out, my friend, this time 19.26% just and only it was decreasing. Why? Because this time the selling rate will be, I think, my friend, increasing now. Remember, when the selling rate is increasing, then volume was decreasing, so that's why the volume was decreasing. And remember, when volume was decreasing, then price was also decreasing. All right, guys, so this time that's been there's two chances to it was again crash down, and we will see something my friends, good now, especially for short-term investors. So don't focus on long position, and if you are already take an entry in short position and you hold, then you will need, my friends, to your liquidation will be my friends upper from 23k, then 100% you will be safe from lost. All right, guys, so hope you understand something new in this video. Kindly, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and join telegram group. The link is available in the description. For more further information, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, guys, this time, as you can see here, my friend, on the chart result Bitcoin movement, if we look out, my brothers, so this time absolutely we will understand to it will be in pumping position. But no, my friends, absolutely also chances to here is we will see a huge breakout already, guys. So that's why chances to it was crashed down. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and join our telegram group. The link is in the description.